Across centuries, humanity has chased tomorrow through prophecies from royal seers to pop culture myths, shaping fear and curiosity. Nostradamus terrified, then teased, with layered quatrains whose ambiguous images sparked endless debates about climate, war, and fate. The Simpsons entered the arena as cultural prophecy, its clever jokes allegedly predicting events that fans later matched to real timelines. We contrast precise moments like calendars turning to pandemics, with looser hits and stubborn misses, exploring why some endure. Ultimately, the story reveals not inevitability but human patterns, memory, and culture guiding which prophecies stay relevant.